What if I told you your entire life, your habits, emotions, even your self-worth, is being run by a program you didn't consciously choose? That program is your subconscious mind. It controls 95% of your daily behavior, and unless you reprogram it, you'll keep living the same patterns again and again. But here's the empowering truth. In just 21 days, you can begin to rewire that inner code. And it starts with intention, repetition, and emotion. Let's talk about how. The subconscious doesn't respond to logic. It responds to repetition and feeling. That's why a single positive thought isn't enough. You have to install a new belief the same way your old ones got installed. Daily repetition over time. Step 1. Set a clear intention. This isn't just about thinking positively. It's about defining exactly what you want to believe. Maybe it's, I am worthy of abundance, or I trust myself completely. Choose one core belief you want to install. Write it down. Feel the energy behind it. This is your anchor. Step 2. Create a daily reprogramming ritual. The best times to access your subconscious are right after you wake up and just before you fall asleep. These are the theta brainwave states, when the subconscious is most receptive. During these windows, repeat your chosen belief out loud, in your mind, or even by writing it 10 to 20 times. The key is emotion. You must feel the truth of the statement in your body. Visualize it. Feel the gratitude as if it's already real. Step 3. Remove conflicting inputs. Reprogramming isn't just about adding new beliefs. It's about subtracting the old ones. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, news, toxic people, limiting language, you're reinforcing the exact patterns you're trying to break. For 21 days, be intentional about what you consume. Replace fear-based media with uplifting content. Replace judgmental self-talk with compassion. Guard your mental environment like a sacred temple. Step 4. Act as if. Your subconscious learns not just through words, but through behavior, so act as if your new belief is already true. If your affirmation is, I am confident in social situations, then challenge yourself to speak up, smile more, take up space. Small daily actions signal to the subconscious that this new identity is real. Step 5. Stay consistent for 21 days. It takes 21 days to start creating a new neural pathway. Miss a day? Don't start over, just continue. This isn't about perfection, it's about building momentum. And once those pathways begin to form, your subconscious starts to accept the new belief as reality. Now here's where the magic happens. As your internal story shifts, your external reality will start to match it. You'll attract opportunities aligned with your new beliefs. You'll notice different people, patterns, and possibilities. You're not stuck, you're programmable, but no one else can do it for you. It starts with one decision, to become the conscious architect of your mind. So for the next 21 days, commit to this journey. Speak your new belief, feel it, visualize it, act on it, and protect your mental space like your life depends on it. Because in many ways, it does. Reprogram your subconscious and watch your reality transform.